from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2005 Toyota Corolla 1.8 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the starter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 3/8 ratchet, another 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, two different length 14mm socket, cup type oil filter wrench, 14mm wrench, 10mm wrench, 12mm flex socket, flat tip screwdriver, and anti-seize. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a Denso starter. Okay, first I'm going to disconnect the negative side of the battery. So I jacked up the car. Now we're going to go underneath the car to remove the starter. Okay, so we're under the vehicle. I'm going to be removing this oil filter. So I'm going to be removing this oil pressure switch socket to get more room. Disconnecting this wire that goes to the starter. Removing the main battery wire that goes to the starter. So there's two bolts we gotta remove, one here and one on the top of the starter. So I'm going to be removing the top bolt for the starter. It's going to be on the driver's side on the top of the transmission. So I'm going to be removing this starter from the bottom. Putting on the new starter. Okay. Putting some anti-seize on my starter bolt. Putting some anti-seize on my bolt. Okay, putting the top bolt on. And we're going to tighten the bottom. Tightening up the bottom bolt. Okay, so I'm going to be connecting my main battery wire to the starter. Okay, connecting this small starter wire. Connecting my oil pressure switch. Screwing on my filter. Connecting my battery. Okay, so now we're going to start the vehicle. We're going to start up the vehicle. Looks like the starter is working perfect. You're all good to go. So that's how you replace a starter. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.